but I was building. Peace. This is Born King of Law, the 5% of newspaper man here with the God of Law Supreme. You know, we right now in Charlotte, North Carolina. You know, God, tell them the address of where we at.
The address is 1163 Commercial Avenue, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28205? 28205. 28215, pardon self.
That's peace, God. So tell us what this building that we sitting in right now, tell us what this is going to be.
Supreme Cuts, God. You know, the actual name is the Original Man's Barbershop in the name of education. You know, the DBA is going to be Supreme Cuts because we're going to have Supreme individuals here cutting hair, which is going to sustain the school. You know, we're also going to have culture barbers, and we're going to have wisdom stylists. You know, we're going to have a lot of different aspects going on here besides, you know, barbering and styling. You know, we're going to be merchandise being sold in as well. Magazines, soaps, incense, oils. You know, we're going to do the smoothies. We're going to do the juices. We're going to have vending machines in here. We have a lot of different things, God. You know, just to add on with that, T-shirts being sold. And actually, the opening day, we're going to manifest probably a cookout. You know what I'm saying? Give food out to the community and stuff like that. Half off for all the babies. You know what I'm saying? Haircuts and, you know, getting their hair done and things of that nature. And also, I think we're going to raffle off a TV if I'm not mistaken. And giving out a few shirts too, God, just to add on, you know, with our equality. Peace.
Well, that's peace, God. So you're doing business at Supreme Cuts?
Indeed.
That's peace, God. So it sounds like that you are really going to be an asset to this community, man. I applaud, you know what I'm saying, all, you know what I'm saying, of the brothers and fathers. Can you tell me, is this a collective effort? And if it is a collective effort, could you tell me who's responsible for this building project?
You got me, Supreme Allah. You got Shabu Allah. You have also Born Reality Allah. You know, we're the main three that's responsible for this as far as the idea. You know, me, myself, I brought forth the idea to yourself, Born King and Shabu, as far as the idea of a school. You know, we got together and brought forth the idea of the barbershop. You know, also with the God Understanding Ali. You know, he's also a barber out here that made knowledge born about the idea in order to sustain the school, because we don't want to get to school and then it tank after a few months because individuals don't want to contribute to, you know, to the situation of school or whatever case may be. However, though, doing what we're doing, we're going to sustain this building. This building is going to be here forever. As long as the guards are here, this building will be here. You know, so, and then this is only the beginning. So I don't want individuals to get misconstrued that think that this is going to be it. This is only knowledge right here. We're going to have wisdom, understanding, culture, freedom, you know what I'm saying, power, freedom, equality, God, you know what I'm saying, build and destroy, born, and now that on to the cipher. And therefore, you know what I'm saying, we're going to keep on going, you know, until we, like I say, the main thing now, we're renting this property right here. But the next to wisdom, we're going to buy the property. You know, so we want to have land. You know what I'm saying?
Peace.
That's your phone?
That's peace.
Yeah, so we want to have land. You know, so we can have, you know, our own fruits and vegetables, you know, things of that nature, so we can feed our own people also. So now we ain't going to no grocery stores to get our produce and none of that stuff. You come to the gods and the earths, you know what I'm saying? So
that's peace. You know what? I heard you mention the gods, and I heard you mention the gods and the earths, and I heard you mention a beautiful word, which is school. So then I'm actually hearing that the Supreme Cuts, the barbershop, and all of the things that will be involved economically in the barbershop will actually be the economics that will sustain an Allah school here in the Charlotte, North Carolina area. Is that correct, God?
True indeed, God. I mean, the essence of it is the school. The barbershop is only to sustain the building, you know, to make sure the school runs effectively as far as the bills are paid and, you know, everything is being ran right. But this is a school, God. You know what I'm saying? This is for our nation. However, though, it's a business. You know, so we're using this right here as a platform to branch off to get our own center, so we can have our own daycares. You know what I'm saying? Own daycares, own after school and aftercare, all that. You know, so it's, you know, it's gonna be a beautiful situation, but it has to be a foundation, and this is the foundation right here. And you know that we always deal with the supreme thought. We're not just stuck on one particular plane as far as, you know, this is just it. We got a physical building and we ain't got to do no more. And we can just bring the brothers and sisters. No, we expanding beyond this right here. This is only the beginning right here. of many to come.
Absolutely. Well, God, listen, I heard you mention a lot of things. You know what I mean? I just would just like to ask you a question. Will the 5% of newspaper be available here in at Supreme Cuts?
Without a doubt, God. Now, you know what I'm saying? That goes without even saying.
Absolutely,
right
God. That's big, God.
Anything dealt with our nation will be in here because this is our nation. You know what I'm saying? When you see God, you see the nation. You see me, you see the nation.
Indeed.
Because I am Allah's word manifest. You know what I'm saying? My word is born. And the only thing I'm doing is adding on to that, God. You know what I'm saying? Because when I got out of the self, I took on a duty as a civilized black man to produce. You know what I'm saying? Not I mean, mentally as well as spiritually, you know what I'm saying, working in the dead, but physically also, God, because this right here, we're giving an economical blueprint not only to our nation, but to the people. So therefore, they say, okay, listen, the brothers over, they really built. Let me go hear what they're doing because maybe I can pick up on that sound and do something too. So now when you do come hear the sound, okay, no, this is dealing with me. You know, this ain't nothing about no Creflo Dollar, none of that crazy stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's cool what they doing, whatever. But that's what they're doing. We're doing something that's right and exact, though. You know what I'm saying? We're resurrecting the mind of the people so we can get them thinking beyond their circumstances as far as the community is being, you know what I'm saying, in an impoverished situation. We're trying to break up and another thing to add on, the area where we're in is going through the Revitalization Act, meaning that they're about to reconstruct this whole area, you know, and it's about to be a real economical melting pot. So a lot of businesses and a lot of things are going to be generating over here, and they're about to take a lot of economically impoverished people out of here. So it's going to be a lot of money circulating through here because they're putting a lot of money into this community right here. So it's kind of a beautiful thing that we got the school in the worst part, because we're going to make it the best part anyway because that's our nature. But they're going to implement certain plans to make it the best part as well from their standpoint of view. But we're going to do our part, and we're still going to have the people, you know what I'm saying, reach out to the people to resurrect the minds of the people and let them know, listen, man, this vision that we have is only the beginning. Like I keep reiterating, this is only the beginning because it's way much more that's coming, God.
Indeed. Indeed. So what I've actually basically heard you share with us today, and this is to the entire nation and to all the civilized people of the planet Earth, is that here in Region 4 that we are supplying not only the knowledge, but we are supplying the knowledge and the power so that everybody could see the equality of a law in action. You know what I'm saying? So people will not have to invent the wheel because they can just see what's being done here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and replicate this all throughout Region 4 and even beyond Region 4 to all the 9 regions of the planet. So, Allah Supreme, I would really like to thank you on behalf of the 5% newspaper for taking this time, you know what I'm saying, to give me this interview and to share with the nation, man. You know what I'm saying, the positive, man, you know, building that is going on, and man, you know, I'm here in Region 4 with you, God, so I'm with you in mind, God, and body, God, and I'm here today, God, to add on to the cipher. So with that being said, man, I'm going to say peace to the God.
Peace.